What's up, everybody? Welcome to Auto Hail Shop, Paintless Dent Repair, Olathe, Kansas, in the Kansas City metro area. Let's see what we got today. We're going to test out our dent puller for the first time. See what we can pull. Looks like the dent distorted the metal around here. It's kind of bulging out a little bit, or maybe this is pushed in too much. Once we pull that out a little bit, I think that will start fitting better. We got it cleaned up. Looks like this spot, this little piece of metal that's attached to this is glued, separated itself. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that first. Have a little eye bolt and some washers put in this hole right there. We got that to look a little better, right back in the better spot. Now the next thing we need to do is get this lower part here popped out. Quite a lot of glue. Well, we got the taillight fitting much better. I think that's about where it's supposed to be. All right, we're done with all the glue pulling. Now we just need to finish it off with our PDR tools. Mostly we'll be using sharp tip rods to control stretched metal. And we just gotta smooth the rest of it out.